very happy to see all of you come together here. No matter you receive my guidance, no matter you receive my communication, I am doing both with all of you at soul level already. हम रिसीवर शायद थोड़ा सा हमारे रिसीवर ठीक करेंगे. He is communicating, he is guiding. I am making your things bit easy and comfortable. I am watching all of you as a friend, guide and philosopher. I think we all have been through the roller coaster and वो फिर अभी थोड़ा एक easy सा हो जाता है ना एक phase. I'm sure many of us can feel that we are in a better place by now. I am making some changes in organizational level. If you are all still with me, you will see new Tadekam soon. I'm sure you all have been very understanding of teachers, of organizers and of your own condition as well. We all have put lot of efforts to keep his love for Tadekam flowing in whichever capacity we could. So he's very happy that we are still with him. You will see now new Tadekam soon. At this point I want to say one thing. Serving others, seva, and serving elements also gives immense satisfaction. We have enjoyed the satisfaction of having such a lovely Guru. And now through Swamiji also, we will continue to enjoy how it feels to have such a simple, easy to access and so powerful Guru to guide on this path. वो satisfaction हमारे soul को मिल गया है. But there are more levels of satisfaction that we have not even tested. We have not even tried. Try seva. Try serving elements. Try serving humanity. And only then you will know what the satisfaction is. Before you met Guruji, how could have guessed the satisfaction of having a Guru? So today also you will not be able to guess the satisfaction of serving humanity and element. So this is his message, that we still don't have that satisfaction. Please try that too. You will enjoy. I'm sure we will enjoy. I will give guidance for any specific questions too. I want you to have that belonging to each other. So keep in touch with each other. Some Tadekam member, you might feel like close, hold on to each other. But don't stop the communication. Try and participate as and when you could, keeping in mind that even if you don't see Guruji, if you are there with even 5 Tadekam people, he will hover it over there. He can't stay away from us. I think it's very clear by now. So why deprive him of that happiness of not coming together more often? So I really want this one promise that at least once in a month you should visit Dhyan Mandir. Minimum, I'm not asking more. But give him that happiness as well. He is giving immense. He has only thinking about our happiness. We also should think about his happiness, and his happiness lies in coming together. I will give you guidance. I will try to answer all of your questions for next 3 days, but give just one each. See the love. How many are here? How many is the count? Anybody can tell how many people are here today? All 170? Maybe few people left for some reason, but they also will be included in this activity just because for their sweet effort. And 3 days he has written, but I think we will give him enough time till we receive our answer. Let's not put that burden on him. He can answer, but if he has said he will answer each one's question, but only one question. So I think, do we need pen and paper again? So before you leave, if you have any question, do write it, and we will have another in a bag or something to put all those questions into it. Please message your question of your feelings to the teachers. Oh, no writing. Very good. And that way, every message will be saved. So, whoever teacher you are connected, type a question, write, this is my question for Guruji, and send it to the teacher. Do star mark, remove all the disappearing messages settings, and because you never know how many messages the teachers will receive, and wait till you receive your answer. Love you all. Again, we love Guruji. We love Guruji. We love Guruji. Now we love Tadekam as well. We love Tadekam. We love Tadekam. We are Tadekam. We are Tadekam. We are Tadekam. Thank you. Lots of love.